Hi, and welcome to Control Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to add cars on Control Auto. It's very simple. It's a simple process. All what you need to do is click on this inventory page like this. You will find a red button that says Add Car on the top right corner. Just click on it, and you will find that there are a few steps that you need to go through in order to add your car. The first point is to upload the photos. So you need to upload maximum of 16 photos. Just click on the red button. It will take you to wherever you saved the photos on your computer, and just select the photos and add them. And then you will go to the next step, which is the details. You will find that there are a few points that you need to pick in order to add your car. So the first point is the make, the model, and then you will have an additional information, which is the title of your ad. So all what you need to do is write some information just to attract your customer. And yeah, the year, the mileage, all these points you need to select whatever the car has, and then click on the next page. You will find the features page. All what you need to do is select whatever features the car has, like this. It's a very simple process. And you will have exterior features, interior design. Then go to the next page. You will find security and environment. Choose also the same way. And service, if you're selling with finance, select available from dealer, and then go to the last page. You will find post to. It will be automatically open to Adobe Cars, so you don't need to select this one. You will find it that it's already open and it's already going to Adobe Cars after you finish all the previous steps. So all what you need to do is click on apply, and the car will be added. Thank you so much.